Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You already have the Socks5 details. Now act. Install a Chrome extension that supports Socks5 proxies and open its options. Once done, create a new profile or rule and enter the host and port exactly as provided. This is critical for DNS routing. If credentials are required, input username and password in the extension's auth fields. Make sure the extension is enabled for the profile you will use. This avoids leaking traffic through the wrong connection. Next, configure a specific proxy rule for Chrome. You'll set the extension mode to manual and choose Socks5, then enter the host and port. Enable remote DNS or proxy DNS requests when available. This prevents DNS leaks and ensures requests resolve through the Socks5 server. Save the rule and bind it to a profile or quick toggle so you can switch instantly. Test by opening a site that shows your IP. Confirm it matches the Socks5 endpoint to verify routing. Finally, verify the connection and handle common issues. You'll check your public IP and DNS to confirm traffic flows through the Socks5 server. Look at the extension logs for authentication or connection errors. If the proxy won't connect, try an alternate port, re-enter credentials, or restart Chrome. Sometimes cached sockets block the change. Make sure the extension has permission for incognito if you use that mode. One key troubleshooting tip. Enable remote DNS in the extension.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.